Hey, it's Jonathan from Masters in Trading. For the next minute, I'm going to show you how the high value target tool can help us evaluate whether a stock or a future is expensive or inexpensive. Now, the high value target tool is one element in evaluating a potential trade. The high value target tool analyzes price movements using volatility bands set to 3 and 4 standard deviations. The tool issues buy and sell signals based on set criteria. The tool comes pre-programmed with optimal settings, but traders can change the settings based on their preference. This tool can be used in any time frame, which makes it great for intraday trading and position management. Yesterday, the tool was a catalyst for a trade in the QQQs. With bonds rallying, traders should look to hedge their trading portfolio. The high value target tool told us when to buy NASDAQ puts. Yesterday, those puts were valued at $450. One day later, they're trading for $750. Rest assured though, when we issue a trade idea to the Masters in Trading community, it's been thoroughly researched. Notice the massive disconnect between the Russell and the NASDAQ. That's a trade opportunity, and the high value target confirmed it with a sell signal. One of the reasons we created this tool is a way to force discipline on traders. Trade with confidence, make your loved ones proud, stay on the edges. Here's my favorite part. The high value target tool comes with its own scanner. This is one of those tools you'll be using for every single trade.
All right, let's talk about the HVT scanner. And this just simplifies your life tremendously, right? Especially if you're pressed for time, right? Especially if you don't have a lot of time for nuance, right? You can use the scanner to actually look for buy or sell signals on a whole host of instruments, right? Stocks, sectors, futures, foreign exchange, optionable instruments that don't have options, right? And particularly in toss, you can sort of scan to your heart's content. You can also scan on any time frame, just like you can look at a chart on any time frame. You can scan on any time frame. Do I want to look for buy and sell signals on the 15-minute time frame? Go for it. Want to do it on a daily? Go for it. Want to do it on a weekly? Go for it. All is available to you. All those are available to you in the scanner. In addition to scanning for HVT components or elements, right, you can add in all the other things that TOS has, right? You can, I only want to look at stocks that are between $10 and $50 or $10 and $60 because those tend to have cheaper options that make sense for my account, right? You can look at volume. I only want to look at stocks that trade over 500,000 shares in a particular day. Which stocks are optionable? I only want to look at stocks that have weekly options. What sectors are available? Hey, I want to look at energy stocks. I want to look at financial stocks. I want to look at consumer discretionary. Right? I want to look at technology stocks. You can scan, in addition to the HVAT elements, you can scan using all that criteria in TOS. And at the end of the day, it's really up to you and your imagination and your analytical desires on what you can actually scan for in addition to the HVT scanner. And then the next great thing is that you can scan and you can get a list of, hey, here's 10 stocks that meet my criteria but also have a buy signal. You can then create a watch list with those. And that watch list will update automatically and you can monitor what's going on with those particular stocks, futures, foreign exchange, whatever it is that you scan for. So it is extremely flexible, extremely valuable, and truly cuts your time down when it comes to looking for a trade. And so one of the things that I will do right over the weekend when I'm looking for trades is maybe I don't see a lot of unusual option activity that floats my boat. but maybe I see that energy's in play, or maybe I see that IT's in play, or maybe I see that financials are in play. Well, maybe my first step isn't necessarily to scan for unusual options activity. Maybe I'll just look for buy and sell signals in that particular sector that I'm interested in, and then I'll go look for some unusual options activity. And at the same time, when I scan, I can not only find the signals, but again, I have all these other things, all these other criteria that are available to me. I can include a scan of beta. So hey, I want buy signals and I only want betas 3 or greater. Works out great.